Are you up? Hi. Good morning. Are you up? Oh, you see. Holy. The winds are like 80 kilometers right now, I think.
There's some toast with raisins. Yum.
I can't tell yet if she likes it or not.
It has raisins that she likes. Okay, I'm just gonna text Joe. What are you saying? Alexa, can you run? Are you running, baby? Kitties! Kitties! That's cute.
No, it can't even focus. It's so windy. It's 93 kilometers right now. Holy. I'm actually shocked we still have power. So the wind is like 93 kilometers right now. The power just went out. It was up for like 2 minutes. And I'm actually really surprised that it came back on. Usually as soon as the wind hits like 70 to 80, then we don't have power like the rest of the day. And we have a really old house too, so it's like, that's another reason I'm so surprised that we still have power right now. But anyway, I am just trying to edit this video before that is already going to be up when this is posted. I thought I actually lost it when the power went out, but turns out I didn't. Thank God, because I was almost done editing. So I'm just trying to get that up before the power is done for the day. Do you want a strawberry? What are you doing? Okay, so that is the end of this vlog, kind of our first real attempt at doing a daily vlog, I guess. We'll see in the future if we do keep doing this, hopefully, because I would like to. In the next one I'm going to post, you're going to see more of our Christmas stuff and Eliza opening some of her presents. As you guys can tell, I'm filming this after the fact. I just realized that I never really finished up with the end of that video. It got late, so I just kind of forgot about that. So I realized I should probably finish that so you guys aren't left like, what the heck? So yeah, that was the end of that one. We're gonna try to do more daily vlogs, I think, hopefully, now that things are a little bit less busy and we're done the holidays, and now we have a full month of birthdays coming up, so hopefully we can do some more daily type vlog stuff. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.